Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is solve the following. And we have to solve which number divided by 500 gives 1400. Suppose that number be x. Now multiply both the sides by 500. So we will get x equals to 1400 into 500. So 1400 into 500, as there are 4 zeros, so answer will have 4 zeros, and 14 5 is 70. So our answer is 700,000. Hence 700,000 divided by 500 gives 1400.